I had to learn a lot, and I had to learn it in a hurry. If you've ever shopped on Craigslist, you know how fast and fleeting items go. These are the same thing, especially when you're looking for a specific model. We were searching for a dump bed. Obviously, the dump bed has its advantages, but another advantage, especially with the Subaru's rear-mounted motor, access to the engine and transmission. For maintenance, replacement, what have you. Look at it. It's all sitting right there. It's amazing. Another issue is the dump beds are usually used for work. The dump trucks that are subject to more hard work tend to have a lot more wear and tear on them. Worn out suspension components, ripped interiors, all these are totally normal for a work truck. The dumps also come in classes, meaning the beds are more sturdy. Here on the lot at HVNY Imports in Goshen, New York, sat a supercharged, super deluxe Subaru heavy dump bed, lightly used. On the lot at Goshen, New York, they have all the inventory you need. They had Honda, Suzuki, Mitsubishi. I think they had a Daihatsu. They even had a Pajero there. This thing was very neat. They provide you with every single piece of paperwork that you're going to need in order for you to pass import at DMV. Leave a comment below if you need information about local New York DMV. I'll try and help you out the best I can, but know your local laws before you even try to purchase one of these. Next is where you're going to have to check your local laws for what you're going to want to do with it. Some people are going to use this for construction. Some people are going to use this in their backyard as an ATV. So it's all up to you what you're going to purchase and use it for. Legoland in Goshen just opened up, and they've recently sold a few to them too, it looks like. Them being a transportation company, they can even deliver your MiniTruck to you. Test the brakes, test the handling. You know, you want to be ready for what's coming in this. Oh, you gotta be, what's up with the brakes? Why are the brakes so good?